This long. It's like 2 in the morning, guys. And yeah. Alright, guys. So here we are again. And sobrang sarap ang mata ko right now. It's not slavery. Alright, guys.
Oh, tissue ba? Natatay ka? Tissue ba ka na?
Alright, guys. It's the moon right there.
Alis na kami sa aking bahay.
Okay, guys, so we're in the car now. And we are going to McDo, guys. Let's go. Because I'm gonna order chicken. One beef chicken, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna update you. Hi, guys.
Ako
We're
po,
in
ano?
McDo.
Parang pepper bowl. Tok na yata eh.
Guys, ako kami lang for ako kakain kasi they're gonna diet. Guys,
Lagay niyo muna dyan, guys.
boom. Dito na, guys. Dito na, guys.
Stress guys.
Now, papunta na kami sa mountain.
May napanood akong
Ayoko tong daan.
Whoa, guys. Look. Grabe yung chicken. Tapos may extra green beef pa ako dito.
Gutom ka na ba?
Bro. Opo.
ako hindi ko na mabasa.
Ay, di na.
Yeah. Literally
4:46. Guys, okay guys. We're gonna go na guys. We're gonna go na guys. We're starting on the trek. Guys, it's so cold right now. And I don't know what time it is. Hey, what time it is? What time it is?
What time is it? What time is it?
Hey,
Ano na?
5:01. 5:01. Guys,
Yan. Yan.
Magnetic na.
ito lang. Like, see that? Oh my gosh.
Oh, where? I'm blocking it.
You're breezing. 안녕하세요. 아리가토. Top dito, guys. I'll take a pass.
Hindi.
Guys, we're gonna peek. Yep.
I hike with Lolo.
Yung pag sa hiking.
It's daytime now. Taas. Okay guys, kahit wala nang flash pala. Kasi like the sun is almost up. Uy, may spider. May spider boy. So may nanap po kami. Dude, Rose. What?
Inom na kayo. Inom na tubig.
So, no, may di na. Just look at that. Guys. Stage 2. That was too easy, guys. It's too easy, guys. I'll probably do Mount Everest next. I'm gonna give up. Last one. What? So guys, here we are right
naman
now.
ako, yung nakikita naman ako.
Ay, damn, bro.
Ganyan po. Nakakatakot na. Nawala lang ang mga...
Look at the house over there. Cool. Calibac in like Arizona. I'm talking about like Green King. Back in the forest. Yeah. Alright, bro. So, here, bro. Where we going? Oh my gosh. Guys. Over there. Alright guys, so
Ay, taray yung pala yun.
hey. Look, bro. Oh, look, cloud. Alright. Oh, yo!
Sabi ni...
Hindi, okay lang.
Sabi ni
Okay.
Dito parang.
Squeeze.
Pag hindi,
Oh! Oh, whoa! Whoa! Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Ay! Guys, look.
I have to pee.
Yeah, tama na yun. Wait, tama yun.
I could have died.
Finally made it here. Stop over. So we could eat Pansy Canton. Good name, bro.
40 pesos. 1 peso canton.
Now I ordered catering and pancit canton. Yeah.
Mentos brand. Oh, ba't ganyan?
Yay! Guys. Ang laki yun.
Hoy.
Stone Place. Bye. Baba Bamboos. Guys, my wolf. Nakakatakot. We made it, guys. Slow fast. We made it, guys. Wow. So clean. Back to the stone steps. We're back in the village of India.
May water slide.
Dito na kami sa field. That's Leaving private property. Oh, may naplano ako bro. Gawa tayo chips.
And then?
Bro, why do you look so zesty, bro? Just like that, guys. That's another day in the vlog of my family. Guys, so yun na kami. And that's it for today's vlog. Bye, guys.